Private Investigations is back again with yet another topic that will keep you glued to your seat. In today's video, criminal defense investigators and the best criminal defense attorneys near me share the moments families of victims attacked their children's perpetrators in court. And the best thing is that these were caught on camera. I'm Michaela, your host for today. Remember, for top-notch private investigation services in Oklahoma, call Keith at 405-435-8355. Before we go into details, remember to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell for subsequent updates. The courtroom is often a space of intense emotions and raw reactions, especially when families of victims come face to face with the perpetrators who caused an unimaginable pain. In these moments, all the pent-up anger, sorrow, and frustration find a voice as families address those responsible for forever altering their lives. These moments that have been caught on camera show the impact of crime on families. Alvarez's mother, Ana Mercado, attacked her daughter's accused killer Frank DeLeon after giving a victim impact statement at his murder trial. She claimed he was laughing at my face during her testimony. Alvarez's uncle then rushed DeLeon and punched him several times before being detained by court officials. DeLeon had accepted a plea deal for 45 years in prison for shooting his ex-girlfriend Diamond Alvarez 22 times in January 2022. Mercado expressed regret over her courtroom outburst, but said seeing DeLeon, who she claims was smiling during her testimony, brought up too much anger and hate because she wants her daughter back. Judge Hazel B. Jones ordered the courtroom to adjourn after the families were separated following the brawl. This is a clear case of the varying emotions that run free when families of victims see the criminal that attacked their children. A courtroom brawl erupted when the families of two murder victims lunged towards the suspect, Paul Wade, as he was led back to a holding cell. 4 people were arrested after the brawl broke out during a preliminary hearing. The suspect, Paul Wade, taunted relatives of the victims as he was led past them, prompting the victim's family to suddenly stand up and lung themselves towards him. Court deputies had to try to hold them back. 4 people, including 2 family members of the victims, were charged with crimes like disorderly conduct and assault for their role in the courtroom brawl. A murder suspect, Victor Nathaniel Rivas, was attacked and beaten in a Bexar County courtroom by family members of the teen he's accused of killing. Video of the incident was shared widely. 4 people, who were 2 adult males and 2 juvenile males, were arrested following the incident and were to be charged with assault and disrupting court proceedings. The suspect, Victor Nathaniel Rivas, is accused of fatally shooting 15-year-old Ethan Soto in May 2022 in an act of revenge for a drug robbery. A 21-year-old man was sentenced to life in prison without parole for the 2012 Christmas Eve murder of a 23-year-old man in an apartment. Shortly after the sentencing, a brawl erupted on the steps of the Duval County Courthouse between family members of the convicted murderer and the family of the victim. The convicted man, George Williams IV, was found guilty in March of burglary and the first-degree murder of Harold Lee Woodard ED. Woodard was beaten and shot multiple times in an apartment. Blood and fingerprints on a shoebox at the crime scene matched Williams's. The moments when families of victims confront their children's perpetrators in court reveal the deep emotional wounds that endure long after the crime has been committed. These encounters serve as a potent reminder of the human cost of crime and the resilience of those left behind. At Keith Private Investigations, we advocate for justice and can help you with investigations. Please contact Michaela at ojpslegal.com or visit www.privateinvestigatorokc.com for additional information about our services. To learn more interesting crime stories, like, share, and subscribe. Be safe until the next time when we come your way again. I love you for watching this far. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell for subsequent updates.